Hey guys, it's Kay. Now do you all remember the GameCube? It was this revolutionary games console by Nintendo. It basically changed my childhood. I loved every minute of it. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to play GameCube on your Android device so you can play anywhere you go. A quick side note, you're probably going to need a powerful device to run these full-fledged games, so a phone from this year or last year is perfect. Okay, so off we go. The first thing we need to do is open up internet browser on your phone and go to this web page. From here we need to download the Dolphin Emulator for Android. Always pick the latest up-to-date software. Then we just open once it's downloaded and click install. Okay, so now we've got the emulator. What do we do next? Games, of course. So let's open up internet browser again. And there's literally hundreds of games. So all you have to do is select your game and scroll down to the download button and click for download. Now what you have to do is go to the Play Store and download the following application. Then click on open and navigate your way to where you downloaded the game files. Okay, so I put it in AK Dolphin folder. There it is. So click on it and press OK. So this might take a while. Okay, once it's done, go back to the Dolphin Emulator and locate the file you just unzipped with the 7-zipper app. Don't worry guys, we're nearly there. Next, click on select directory and bang, it appears on the emulator. So all that's left to do is click on the game icon and away we go. Oh, and also, did I mention this emulator also plays Wii games? So earlier I also downloaded the Wii version of the game. Just remember, with all these games you're going to need a lot of hard disk space. This brings back memories, the old safety disclaimer. I'm sure some of you remember smashing your mom's ornaments. Now the on-screen buttons can be moved around by using the settings, and you can make them smaller. I just love playing these classics, and just imagine having all these in your pocket. Okay, so animation is pretty smooth, and I can feel myself getting back into this game. Let's find this treasure and kill those baddies. Anyways guys, there's tons more games you can explore, and I've left links in the description below. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please give us a like, it helps the channel out a bunch. And maybe even subscribe. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.